Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today we're going to teach you how to make a wooden letter accent wall using the X-Carve CNC machine. Guys, I am in Callaway's room and we are getting ready to start a fun project for this room. As many of you know, we are getting ready to convert our house to a vacation rental. We announced that a couple months ago and we've been looking for a new house. Haven't found anything yet, but fingers crossed. But as we look, we are starting to work on some of those fun projects just to make this house have some more unique experiences throughout, so it's just more fun and unique for the visitors that are going to be coming through here. So one thing we're doing is creating even more uniqueness to this wall, which already has this really cool mountain mural. I'll go ahead and put the tutorial for that in here. It was super easy to do. We did it a couple years ago, but we are going to be cutting out a quote that's going to go up on the wall, and it's going to be so cool. I can't wait. We are teaming up with our friends over at Inventables and using our X-Carve, which is a cool CNC machine. We made those Oregon coasters not too long ago with it. So we're still getting our feet wet with the machine and learning how to use it, but we're going to be using it for this project, and I'm so excited about it. So let's get started. So the X-Carve uses a program called Easel, and we have the file in the description below. In our blog post, we have a link directly to the file. If you also have an X-Carve, you can just click that link and open this project right up in Easel and start cutting right away. And then in the blog post, we also describe exactly how we created the file if you wanted to create your own quote that is different from ours. And we decided to go with MDF wood just to save a little bit on cost because lumber is so expensive right now. So we decided to paint it, and we're using a white primer and white spray paint. I just love that little handle that I attached to the spray paint. I'll be sure to link it in the description below. It just makes the spraying a lot more consistent with a can of spray paint. So I did several coats of primer. That MDF wood really soaks up that paint. So I had to do several coats there of the primer and then followed it up with white spray paint. Then just be sure to let that spray paint dry really thoroughly before handling the letters, because you'll get fingerprints in there if that paint hasn't had a chance to dry and cure. Next, we brought the letters inside and got them ready to hang. And we ended up using Command picture hanging strips, and we cut them into smaller sizes so they would fit on the back. And then we put several across the backs of the letters, and it worked perfectly. To hang the letters up on the wall, it really helps to have two people. And what we did here was space out the letters on the floor in front of the wall just to get an idea of the spacing that we wanted. And then we started to hang the letters up on the wall. And it helps to have one person hold a big level to align the bottoms of the letters, and then the other person attach it to the wall with the picture hanging strips. And you want to just press into place for 30 seconds to secure with those picture hanging strips. And ta-da! That's it, guys. Doesn't it look like $1,000,000? I am already crossing our fingers that the visitors that come to our home when we turn it into an Airbnb are gonna love it as much as we do. I know that this is a kid's room, so I really couldn't resist this adorable little felt campfire that I found. It's the perfect extra little touch. My kids love it, and I know that when we have visitors, many little kids will be staying in this room because it'll be our bunk room, and I know that they're gonna have fun playing with this little campfire set. Don't you? I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make a quote wall like this in your home using the X-Carve system. While you're here, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel. We share weekly DIY and renovating tips, and then check out this video next. I will see you guys next week. Have an awesome week.